The basic components of the Panoptix system are first the BAS system that exists in the building. We then apply a Panoptix gateway. For those of you familiar with terminology like integration or Metasys integrator or integrator package, we're doing something very similar to that. But we're bringing the Metasys gateway in play to act as a normalization translator. That's a weird way of saying we want to build a database that takes all the data that exists here in Acme Insurance and makes sure we use standard naming conventions to bring that data up to the cloud or into Panoptix. So from an operations perspective, one of the tasks we have is to build this database that exists inside the gateway, to install the gateway on site, and to make sure that the connections between the gateway and the building automation system are successful and clean, and to make sure that the connections between the gateway and the cloud are successful and clean. Once we get a good green light, we're going to have data flowing between the BAS system and Panoptix. Once the data is in Panoptix, we can then begin to pull down reports, depending on the application the customer has selected or has subscribed to within Panoptix. We're talking about applications like Energy and Carbon Reporter, Continuous Diagnostics, some other advanced applications that allow us to dig deeper into that data to look for good material to assist in resolving problems. And one of those problems is what we're going to talk about here in a moment. To continue this, once we have data flowing into the cloud, we're then able to bring down reports that allow us to diagnose a problem.